Many products are used in extreme or rugged environments, experiencing a combination of static and dynamic loads. These products, like this off-road bike, must be designed to withstand demanding conditions and endure extreme loading from rough ground, jumps, and falls. Let's look closer at the handlebar and stem. Can they handle the loads? Do I need larger bolts? Which component should I worry about most? With its easy-to-use, powerful capabilities, SOLIDWORKS Simulation makes answering these questions a breeze. It recognizes fasteners and automatically converts them to bolt connections. Using a natural rider position, let's add the rider load to the handlebar grips and see our results. The handlebar stem will handle the load with ease, and the built-in bolt check provides full details on the connector forces. But what about all the possible rider positions? Using the Load Case Manager, setting up the multiple load cases is easy, and all possible scenarios can be solved with a single run. We can quickly see the effects the different rider positions would have on the handlebar and stem. Now we need to ensure the bike can handle the shock from a jump. We'll simply copy the static loading study to create a dynamic study. All the previous setup work is maintained, we just need to add the element of time for the dynamic effect of the load. The results show increased stress due to the dynamic load and provide better insight to the performance the rider will experience. SOLIDWORKS Simulation gives every designer the tools to evaluate how their designs will perform in the real world, allowing them to make critical design decisions with confidence. Guide your next design with SOLIDWORKS Simulation and quickly achieve your goals.